Good morning to all of you, my dear legendary students. Welcome back to online webinar class. Okay, yesterday we already introduced the syllabus. Mainly already so many students are absent, but today I also introduce once again. So mainly, what is the syllabus? Your syllabus is actually MSc Zoology. 4 semesters are there. That 4 semesters, the semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, semester 4 is there, MSc Zoology. So from this MSc Zoology, you must remember that this syllabus is mainly 50% of the syllabus for the CSR net. Those are the people who desire why you are seeking the admission in this college. So because of your dream in future for the success purpose, you must be take the decision from why? Because this is a wonderful syllabus is there. This syllabus is there and 50% syllabus is there in the CSR net. Whether once you qualify after post graduation, once you qualified the CSR net, and will get JRF nearly 70,000 per such stipend will get. This is the and you will get a scientist. You should become a scientist also, and you'll get okay and doctor fellowship also. This is what a very important thing. Okay, so that's why my dear students are remembering that. So you must concentrate on this syllabus. Okay, already told you what are the papers are there.
4 papers are there.
Yes, yes. What are the mainly? Uh, so see, mainly in MSc Zoology, 4 papers are there. Okay, that 4 papers. One is structural biology. Second one is ECB. Okay. Third one is immunology. Fourth one is what happened, ma?
TSFAI.
TFAI.
TSFAI.
Very good. Devin, thank you. So TSFI also there. These are the 4 papers are there in the MSc Zoology. SB means structural biology. This is also my paper. Structural biology and immunology. This is I deals with these papers. SB means what, ma?
Structural biology.
Okay. This SB means structural biology. ECB means environment and conservative biology. And I am nothing but immunology.
Immunology.
TSFI nothing but nothing but taxonomy of systematic
Taxonomy.
anatomy of invertebrates. Okay.
Yes.
This is the 4 papers are there. Each paper carries 80 marks, 20 marks theory, 20 marks theory, and 80 marks theory, 20 marks internal assessment is there. First internal is there, second is there. So don't miss it, and you must become regular classes. Okay, right. So I'm not wasting your time. Today we should start the syllabus. That is immunology. So already we discussed it in the immunology paper. Okay. What is immunology? What is immunology? So
The study of
immunology.
Organism.
Yes, yes. Tell me better. Tell me.
Organisms develop mechanisms to defend against pathogens.
Yes, very good. Very good, Jabin. Thank you very much. So immunology means it deals simply. So the study of defense of the body. Study of defense of the body against with the pathogens. Study of
Yes.
defense of the body, defense system of the
Against the pathogens.
against with the pathogens. You know very well. So here, what happened actually? So in similar cases. For example, day to day life, we are eating uh, food, drinking water, and breathing contaminated air. So everything contaminated. We are eating, drinking, and breathing also. In that case, what happen, in the air, the microorganisms are enters into. We should inhalation into lungs, and we are eating something. We are drinking something, milk or whatever it be, water and fluids also, right? So in that case, what happen, ma? So all microorganisms we are taking into the body. But how to protect against with this type of okay, this type of see type of microorganisms enters into this type of microbes or pathogens are enters into our body. How to defense our body to against with the pathogens. So that defense system is called what happened, ma? Immune system. So immune system, you know very well. So the defense system of the body is known as immune system. See,
Yes.
what is immunology? Mainly study of defense system. Study of defense system is known as what happened, ma? It is uh,
Immunology.
as immunology. Okay, defense is nothing but it is known as immunity. What, ma? Immunity.
Immunity.
So you know very well. Okay. So the defense immunity nothing but in olden days, in ancient days, the immunity nothing but the immunity it is to exemption of the taxes. This word to be using not only immune system. This word used to another one also exemption of the taxes, exemption of the body, exemption of the other cases. But later, this immune word is we use it in as a medicine as a biology also. So important. Okay. In legal cases also, we should be using. Some people start to get immunity. Something some entertainment program also they will get immunity. So but it is ancient age we should be using that type of immune word. But in our biology, in our body, also, our body to protect against the pathogens, that is called what, ma? Immunity. So this is what very important. The study of immunity is called immunology. Study of immunity is called, ma? Immunology. Remembering one thing. Okay, so immunology is one of the branch, one of the biology. Okay, it is one of the branch of biology. Remembering one like that botany, like like immunology. Okay, so the immunology is one of the biology in the branch of immunology, in the branch of zoology. Okay, so like microbiology, biochemistry, same vice versa. The immunology also one of the day. Okay, it deals with the immune system only, right? So madable visible, ma, Jabin, Supriya, Soumya.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Jabin. So this is what the important thing. But in our syllabus,
Yes.
immunology, what is the syllabus is there? Mainly the concept of immunology and phylogeny of immunology. What is phylogeny? Come on, tell me, anyone. The first topic is what is phylogeny? Anyone can say? What is phylogeny? Come on, tell me, ma. Phylogeny. What is phylogeny? Phylogeny means the evolution of immune system, how to develop from invertebrate to vertebrates. Phylogeny nothing but it is one of the tree-like structure.
Relation,
It is a tree-like structure.
relationship among the
Gradually,
organisms.
tell me.
Relationships among
Uh, Phylogeny nothing but it is one of the what happened, ma? Oh, one of the tree-like structure. For example, ancestral parents are there. From the ancestral parent to what happened, ma? Offsprings are formed. From that offsprings to future generations to be formed. So like that, from protozoa to mammals, what happened, ma? So how to development of immunology? How to development of immune system? Remembering one thing. So what are the phylas are there? You know very well. What are the phylas, ma? For example, in the phylogeny, what is the phylogeny of immunology? Nothing but to evolution and development of the immune system from protozoa to mammals. Look like a tree, look like connecting system is there. Like first innate immunity developed, then after what happened? Then after acquired immunity to develop. So that is a very important thing. For example, remembering one thing. See, from protozoa to mammals, how to development of immune system. Okay, anyone can say. For example, just imagine. I would like to say one example. I would like to ask one question. You know very well. See, remembering one thing. A newborn baby, newly delivered from the mother womb. Okay, if it is what happened, where in the newborn baby, in the nostril, in the nose, where the dust particles enters, the newborn baby to giving what reaction? Come on, tell me.
Will sneeze.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Jabin. Thank you very much. So yes, that is the right answer. Excellent answer. Who can say, ma? The mother should not say, the father should not say, grandfather should not say. Okay, who can say to that the newborn baby to sneezing or coughing? Okay, anybody can say to that person? Anybody can say to that baby?
No.
Nobody cannot say. So how to develop it? It is one of the ancestral problem. It is ancestral development is there actually. Okay, that is that type of immunity. That type of immunity because of the dust particles. Dust particle which contains microorganisms. Pathogens. These pathogens are enters into nasal cavity in the respiratory tract or digestive tract. Our body should not tolerate immediately to remove from outside, from body to outside by sneezing and coughing. That is a physical activity. That is one type of immunity, ma. That is one type of immunity. So that is a wonderful character about our body. Remembering one thing. So who can say? Who should not say? That person who should not say. For example, we are also sneezing and coughing. We have by birth that character. The character is to be having by birth. Same vice versa. Come on, tell me. Vice versa. So in protozoa, can you say one example of protozoa? Anyone?
Amoeba.
Very good. Thank you, Amoeba. No, thank you, Jabin. So, for example, so this is a amoeba, ma. This is a amoeba. Amoeba is a freshwater animal, right? Amoeba is a freshwater animals. Remembering one thing, how to this amoeba, how to protect with against with the foreign bodies? Any idea? Any idea, ma? Any idea?
Pseudopodium.
Pseudopodia? Supriya? Oregon to Supriya, not Pseudopodia. Okay. Remembering one thing, amoeba is eating or not? Come on, tell me. For example,
Yes.
amoeba is eating always. With the help of the pseudopodia, amoeba to imagination, to invite to ingestion of the food material. Okay, that is called that's amoeba is a phago. That means which is to invite the phagophagy.
Yes.
Zoophagy. It eat that means animal material. Remembering one thing, once the food is enters into the body, what happened? Immediately remembering one thing, in the amoeba, which is having in the cytoplasm, one round like structure particles are there. That is called lysosomes.
Yes.
Padma, that is called lysosomes. So once the prey material enters into cytoplasm, so these lysosomes are attachment with these lysosomes are attachment with the prey material. So this is the prey, that foreign body is called phagosome. It is called phagosome, and when the phagosome enters into amoeba cytoplasm, immediately in the cytoplasm, lysosomes are attachment with the phagosome. So what happened here? Come on, tell me. For example, I would like to draw. This is a prey material. This is a lysosome. This is a prey material. Okay. So this is called phagolysosome, PLG. To be formed of phagolysosome also to be formed. So phagolysosome, what happened, man? These lysosomes are to release on the hydrolytic enzymes. Hydrolytic enzymes. HLE. Hydrolytic enzymes. Lysosomes are to release hydrolytic enzymes on prey material. Phagosome. So the phagosome is simply digested by the influence of hydrolytic enzyme. Shall I repeat? Whether the prey material is enters into amoeba, cytoplasm, immediately the lysosomes are care of the prey material. So whether these lysosomes are attachment with phagosome to be form of what happened? That means remembering one thing, lysosomes are attached to phagosome. So phagolysosome should be formed. Phagolysosome should be formed. These phagolysosomes, the lysosomes which is secreting hydrolytic enzymes. These hydrolytic enzymes, what happened, ma'am? Hydrolytic enzymes are to digest the, what happened, ma'am? To digest the prey material. Okay, now remembering one thing. Here, the prey material which contains, remembering one thing, the prey material which contains, just as I told you, always our body, not only our body, any organism battle of the field to protect with the foreign bodies. Here also, amoeba is a single cell, ma. Remembering one thing, amoeba is a single cell, of course, but how to how to get immune that mat? The food material which contains contaminated microorganisms. That microorganisms are killed by the lysosome. Enzymes are there. Simply, intracellular digestion. Simply, what we can call it, ma? Intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion is the one of the innate immunity process. One of the innate immunity process. That is one of the imagine. This is a protozoa to get immunity power by the using of intracellular digestion. Any prey material, okay, any other drinking the material, any of whatever it may food material which contains contaminated, immediately that contaminated food material to be digested in the influence of hydrolytic enzymes. Along with digestion, our microorganisms also digested. Look like our stomach, pancreatic, that means gastric juice also to kill the microorganisms like that. We'll explain later. Well, coming to that point. So this is one of the best example of protozoa. Whatever it be protozoa and paramecium, any other protozoans will same phenomena takes place. Okay, na Klimper? What type of how to get immunity, ma? That is called what, ma? Intracellular digestion. What, ma? Intracellular digestion, which is responsible for the to kill the microorganisms by using of intracellular mechanism, okay, to get the immunity power. Okay, that is one of the important thing. Right. Next one. We'll go to what happened. Next to what is pila? Next to what pila? Porifera. Okay. And platyhelminthes, nematohelminthes. Okay. Next one, Annelida. Okay, so this is what not annelida. Porifera, platyhelminthes, nematelminthes. Porifera, platyhelminthes, nematelminthes. So here, remembering one thing, same phenomena. Simply, what is the process here? Intracellular digestion. What digestion, ma? Intracellular digestion is one of the important phenomena. What happened, ma? To get immunity power. What, ma? Porifera, platyhelminthes, nematelminthes, which form intracellular digestion is one of the important phenomena to get to kill the microorganisms, okay, and to get the immunity power. That is what very important. But it is not a particular. We should not get particular name. We'll coming to the point. And in Annelida also. Okay, in Annelida, what we'll get? In Annelida, remembering one thing. Any example Annelida? What is the example? Hello. What is the example of Annelida? Example of Annelida, remembering one thing. What is the example of Annelida? Earthworm. Yes. Okay. Earthworm is one of the example. Right. Remembering one thing. So this Annelida, how to get immunity from the foreign bodies, against with the foreign bodies. How to defend the body. Remember one thing. Okay. This is what very important thing. So what happens? See, in Annelida, the body always, remembering one thing, the body always, the wet skin is there. Body is always what, ma? Wet skin is there. The wet skin is one of the barrier. Remembering one thing, ma? So here, come on, tell me, here in the ventral side, wet skin also there. Of course, whatever it may be, ventral side, dorsal side, skin is there. The skin is the one of the barrier. One of the barrier to protect against with the what, ma? Pathogens. So here in Annelida, skin is the one of the barrier to protect with the what happened, ma? Against with the pathogens. That is number one. Number two. So this earthworm which contains blood, ma. This earthworm which contains blood. The blood does not contain RBC. This blood, this earthworm, okay, RBC is not there, but blood is red in color. Blood is red in color. How? Come on, tell me. Anyone can say? Anyone can say? In earthworm, RBC is absent, but blood is red in color. How? Because of the hemoglobin dissolve in the plasma. Dissolve in the plasma. That is what very important. Clear? That's why blood is red. That means blood is red in color. This earthworm RBC is not there, but WBC is there, ma. WBC cells are the white blood corpuscle cells are there. These WBC cells are to kills the microorganisms. This is what very important thing. This is what very important thing. Remembering one thing. Okay, clear? So these WBC cells are what happened, ma? To kills the microorganisms like by phagocytosis reaction. Which reaction, ma? Phagocytosis reaction. So it will be explained later because of for the first time phagocytosis reactions was discovered by different scientists. There will explain in arthropod. Right. Okay. Now, so these WBC cells are to protect the body against with the pathogens to kill the microorganisms. Okay. So by the phagocytosis reaction to develop the immunity, that immunity is called what, ma? That immunity is called remembering one thing. So innate immunity. What, ma? Innate immunity, very important. Okay, na? So clear? For the first time, the innate immunity to be originated in arthropoda. because of, sorry, Annelida. Because of in Annelida, for the first time, circulation system is originated. When the circulation system is there, that means what happened, ma? The lymphatic system also well developed. Remembering one thing. So that's why the innate immunity system should be developed for the first time in Annelida. Remembering one thing. Okay, na? Innate immunity system nothing bad. That system will explain later in tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So by birth to the person, the organism which is having the immunity, that is called what, ma? Innate immunity. We'll explain later in detail. Okay, na? So remembering one thing, in Annelida, what my command tell me, in Annelida, especially innate immunity system is there, RBC is not there, WBC cells are to kill the microorganisms to get the immunity power. Clear? That is one. Okay, clear, Jabin, all of you, my dear students? Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Next one, ma, arthropoda. Next one, arthropoda we should take. Same. Arthropoda also, okay. Arthropoda also blood is there. The blood which contains what, ma? The blood is contains WB cells. The blood which contains what, ma? These WB cells are to kill the same arthropoda and mollusca. Arthropoda,
Mollusca.
also. Arthropoda and mollusca also. The blood which is there, the blood which contains WB cells are there. These WB cells are to kill the microorganisms. Then they'll get the immunity power. Okay, so that is what very important. And after the mollusca, we should take Echinodermata. Okay, na? Echinodermata. Can you get the, anyone can say the example of Echinodermata? Ma. Echinodermata example, starfish. Example what, ma? Starfish. So very, very important in Echinodermata starfish, for the first time, research on immunology, research on immunity. Later, the Protozoa, Porifera, and Annelida, okay, will research also discovered. Okay, for the first time on immunology research on Echinodermata. So that is on starfish larva. But ma, starfish larva, please mute yourself, ma. Mute yourself, ma, Jabin, and 57. While asking the question, you must be say the answer, please. Because of here, disturbance are facing, ma. Okay, na? Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, remembering one thing. In Echinodermata, the starfish larva, that is called Echinidia. Which are, ma? Echinidia. So for the first time, who the scientist? Okay, the scientist is called Metchnikov. Who scientist, ma? Metchnikov. Metchnikov, I think about Metchnikov. Metchnikov scientist was walking on the beach. Okay, walking on the beach, he was observed starfish larva, Echinidia. Okay, the Echinidia larva to eating something. The Echinidia larva of starfish larva to eating something food material, something prey material. So the prey material also, once remembering one thing, a starfish whether eating to be total visual organs are to be released outside, then eating. That mechanism was observed by Metchnikov scientist. The Metchnikov scientist to observe how they are eating, which type of cells are the eating to be digesting also. So these Echinidia, starfish larva, to releasing something cells, the cells are to digest the food material. He was observed. That type of cells, which cells are to digest the food material, okay, and beside of the beach, okay, he was observed. Okay, that cells also to given one name also. Which cells are to digest the prey material? Are itna ganda food kha raha hai ye starfish, but how they are survive? Because of remembering one thing, in sea water, the food material which contains more contaminated, remembering one thing. But how they are survive? How starfish survive? He was shocked. That's why the cells are to digest the food material. Okay, that cells given the name. The name is called what ma? Phagocytes. What ma? The name is called what ma? Phagocytes. Phagocytes. Remembering one thing. These phagocytes are to digest a food material by the reaction is called phagocytosis. What ma? Phagocytosis reaction. Phagocytosis means what ma? Simply to killing of the microorganism by the digestion process. What ma? To killing of the microorganisms by the digestion process. So this phagocytosis reaction was discovered by who scientist ma? Come on, tell me, Jabin. Who scientist? Metchnikoff scientist was discovered. Metchnikoff scientist. Later, this phagocytosis was research on everything from protozoa to that means later it was discovered in Daphnia also. Daphnia nothing but is a crustacean, or that means arthropoda. In Daphnia also phagocytes are there. So these phagocytes are very, very important to kill the microorganisms and develop the immunity. That is called innate immunity by the phagocytosis reaction. That's why he got the Nobel Prize in 1908 also. 1908 also. So this is what very, very important thing. Okay, now remembering one thing. So same this type of phagocytosis reaction from protozoa to okay mammals, all mammals. Later Echinodermata, same phagocytosis reaction. Fishes, same phagocytosis reaction. Fishes to amphibians, reptiles, mammals, even though we are also human beings also